The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service for the following ocean, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth. Blizzard warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Eastern Monmouth, western Monmouth, coastal ocean, and southeastern Burlington counties. When? From 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details. Snowfall rates could exceed 2 inches per hour. Locally higher snowfall amounts and significant drifting of snow possible. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The following is a coastal flood watch.